If we want to bring real peace to the world, we must start educating children. With this philosophy of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, Manohar Bhai Shiksham Prasarak Mandal established Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and Lit NP Commerce College Armori in 1981 in the remote district of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli. Gadchiroli lies at the easternmost corner of Maharashtra. It is a rural and tribal district of Maharashtra which is also known as the forest hub of Maharashtra, and it is lagging behind in many basic infrastructural facilities. Despite of this, we achieved A grade from NAC Bangalore in 2017. To strengthen the students in every region, the institution started all three faculties with variety of subject. At the same time, to provide an opportunity for higher education, institution also started postgraduate courses as MA and MScs in different subjects. Simultaneously, to provide opportunities in research, institution has also initiated few research centers. Apart from academics, we have achieved many prestigious awards from Best College to the Road Safety Awards of state level. Our institution strives for the betterment and the development of students in every sectors, like sports, where many of our students have achieved national and international recognition. Simultaneously, we believe that skill-based courses are the need of today's scenario. Hence, community college is one of our best initiative. The library of our institution is well structured and resourced. The online and offline resources are made available to each and every visitor. The competitive section of our library has been acknowledged by many successful students from our institution. Cultural and extracurricular activities ensures the all-round development of the students. Our institution continuously strives for the development and the betterment of the women through various activities like felicitating successful women to inspire our women counterparts, organizing programs like Women's Governance Day, and many more. Few of our students has represented our institute at international level. We ensure the active participation of women in every activity. People's Biodiversity Register is one of our best practices, through which students get an opportunity to feel the mother nature through various field visits. The free existence of tiger in our region itself explains the sustainable efforts from our side for the conservation of nature in its true form. Our institution continuously strives through various studies like of migratory birds, fossils, and collection of rare plants in the form of herbarium sheets. The Department of Geology frequently performs hydrogeological studies to assess the groundwater conditions of nearby area. To spread awareness, our institution regularly performs events like Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Apart from this, serving the society is in our vision and mission. Hence, we organize multiple programs, which itself explains our adherence towards the society. We work right from stage to the grassroots level for the betterment and the development of the society. In the period of lockdown, we have organized multiple events, which itself explains the sensitivity towards our responsibility in COVID-19 pandemic. Even we have supported the migrant laborers and the needy peoples during the lockdown as a part of our social responsibility. Ultimately, we believe that the development of the student is the development of the nation. Thanks for watching.